Imagine this, my treasures, a single sheet of paper resting in your hands. Plain, quiet, unassuming, and yet, within minutes, it can become a crane. For hope, a heart, for tenderness, or a butterfly, for rebirth. That is the secret of origami. Transformation doesn't always arrive loudly. Sometimes it comes fold by fold, breath by breath, choice by choice. Origami has deep roots in Japanese paper folding traditions, and what makes it so magical isn't just what you create, it's what happens to you while creating it. Your hands slow down, your breath gets calmer, your attention returns to the present moment. You stop spiraling for a second and start listening to yourself, to the paper, to the life still unfolding from inside you. And here's the soul lesson, my loves. Every crease changes the shape, but it doesn't ruin the paper. Repeat this again in your mind for your heart. Every hard thing you've lived through may have changed you, but it didn't erase your beauty. It gave you form. It gave you a story. It gave you depth. So today, let yourself play. Fold something small and lovely with no pressure to be perfect. Let your inner child make a little miracle out of something ordinary. And when you finish, hold it close and ask yourself, what part of me is ready to transform with grace? Tell me in the comments, what will you fold today? Hope, healing, love, or a brand new beginning?